I'm going to continue my verse again. But this time it's Galatians 6.
Okay.
And then you see where it goes. So you see that red line?
Yep, 6 all the way to
10,
10.
and then it doesn't continue. So
Okay.
let's do it. Go. Okay, so, brethren, if a man is overtaken in any trespass, you who are spiritual, restore such a one in the spirit, lest you also be tempted. Bear one another's burdens and so fulfill the law of Christ. For if anyone thinks himself to be something when he is nothing, he deceives himself. But let each one examine his own work, and then he will have rejoicing in himself alone and not in another. For let each one bear his own load. Let him who is taught the word of God share in all good things to him who teaches. Do not be deceived. God is not mocked. Whatever a man sows, that he will also reap. For he who sows to his flesh will of the flesh reap corruption, but he who sows to the Spirit will of the Spirit reap everlasting life. And let us not grow weary while doing good. For in due season we shall reap if we do not lose heart. Therefore, as we have opportunity, let us do good to all, especially to those who are in the household of faith. Goodbye.
God bless you.
God bless you. Look, it keeps kissing the camera.